how to customize your home screen in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today we're diving into the exciting world of iOS 18 and I'll show you how to customize your iPhone home screen like a pro. So first things first, long press on your home screen and then tap on the edit option on the top left corner. Now it will unlock exciting options for you. If you tap on add widget, there you can find new widgets. Here you can find new widgets like tracking your overnight vitals, or you can even track your weekly vitals, your cycle tracking, and so on. And you can jot down your thoughts on the go. These widgets come in small, medium sizes, perfect for your layout. Customize option. So here you can choose between a light or dark wallpaper setting, increase the icon size, and even make your apps larger, and even use the brightness icon to do any slicker look that you want. Now, another very important feature that has been added is the edit page icon. So you can tap on edit pages and you can edit your pages however you want, elevating your home screen's overall look. And that's it. You can rearrange your apps any way you want and enjoy the best iPhone experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.